Your first income stream, how to choose one and focus. Most people want 10 income streams, but here is the truth. You can't multiply what you haven't mastered. Today, we choose one income stream and build it properly. I'm Coach Adi. Section number 1. Why you must start with one stream. When you chase too many things, one, your focus will scatter, your results will weaken, your motivation dies, and you eventually stop. Section number 2. The 3 questions to find your first stream. You need to ask yourself, 1, what can I learn quickly? Is it tools? Is it AI? Is it simple affiliate system? You have to determine which one you can learn quickly, because that will be the backbone of your campaign. Number 2, what can I teach confidently, even at beginner level? That is, what can you teach others? It is out of what you know, what you can learn, that you teach other people confidently. Then number 3, what can make me money in 30 to 60 days? Under this number 3, I will suggest affiliate marketing and content are perfect. Section number 3, your primary engine method. Your primary engine method is your main money maker. So choose from 1, affiliate marketing, 2, AI assisted content income, 3, digital product creation, which can come later. Once you choose your engine, everything becomes easier. Section number 4. What happens when you focus on one stream? When you focus on one stream, you become consistent, clear, confident, and efficient. One skill mastered is equal to 10 skills unnecessary. So, pick one engine, build it, grow it, then multiply later. That's how wealth is built online. Subscribe. I'll be discussing the consistency blueprint in the next video, detailing how to stay on track even when life happens. Click the link below and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.